Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by registering an Azure AD app to use as a service principal. Assign dataset. Read-write, all and workspace. Read-write, all permissions and grant admin consent. Record the app client ID and client secrets securely in Azure Key Vault. Identify the Power BI Workspace Group ID and Dataset ID from the Workspace URL or Power BI Admin Portal. Acquire an OAuth 2 token using the tenant ID, client ID, and client secret at the token endpoint. Keep tokens secure and refresh them before expiry to avoid unauthorized failures. In Azure Data Factory, create a pipeline with a web activity to call the Power BI API. Use URL https://API powerbi com/v1 0/myorg/groups/group ID/datasets/dataset ID/refreshes and set method to post. Provide body JSON like notify option, mail on failure, or include partition parameters when needed. Add header authorization with bearer access token and content type application/JSON. Store client secret and tenant details in Azure Key Vault. Test the pipeline by triggering it manually and verifying a successful 202 or 200 response from the API. If you get 401 errors, confirm client secret validity and reissue the OAuth 2 token immediately. For 429, throttling implement exponential backoff, starting at 10 seconds and doubling each retry until tolerance. Monitor pipeline runs in ADF monitor and check Power BI refresh history for status and error messages. Log detailed responses to Azure Log Analytics for debugging and continuous improvement of the integration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.